Today we are going to recognize the significant contribution of a great leader who has contributed significantly in the growth of Lupin. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand together in the honor of D. Murali Krishna. Award to Shri Dantu Sitarama Dikshitulu and Srimati Surya Kumari on 15th May 1962 in the district of United Andhra Pradesh called Khamman. His father was a renowned teacher. He has started his career in the year 1984 with a company called Rainbow Lake Inks and Resins. After that, he has joined a pharma company in Haryana, J-Pump Laboratories Limited. And post that, he has joined Lupin in the year 1989, where he worked more than 3 decades. He has worked at several various locations. He has many patents and publications in scientific journals to his credit for his innovative research work on various drug molecules. He has launched a musical album on Bhagavad Gita shlokas, which was recited in his own voice. This was based on Carnatic ragas. This musical album has been acknowledged by many of the stalwarts of the musical fraternity. He also received an award, Vishisht Sanskrit Seva Vritti, from Ministry of HRD, India. And his name has also been recorded in the India Book of Records. हुनर तो सब में होता है, हुनर तो सब में होता है, किसी का छिप जाता है, किसी का छप जाता है।
इंडस्ट्रियल लाइफ में रेयरली ऐसी मल्टी फेसेट पर्सनालिटी देखी है जो टेक्निकली साउंड हो, अच्छा साइंटिफिक नॉलेज रखता हो, स्पिरिचुअल हो, जो सोसाइटी की चिंता करता हो, फैमिली की चिंता करता हो। मेरा मुरली से एसोसिएशन लगभग उतना ही है जितना मुरली का लुपिन से। मुरली के साथ 2 कंट्री और 2 स्टेट में सर्विस की है। मैं अंधेश्वर में मुरली के साथ था, थाईलैंड में भी मुरली के साथ था, मंडीदीप में भी मुरली के साथ काम किया है। मेरा ये कहने से का मतलब आप ये ना समझे कि मैं मुरली को पूरी तरह जानता हूँ। वो ऐसा व्यक्तित्व है जिसको जानना इतना सरल नहीं। मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ जब ये गीता के ऊपर पहली बार संभावी युग में आया, शायद 6-8 महीने पहले बिफोर रिलीजिंग, once he played this voice, I could not recognize his voice, and I forgot there only. जब ये बाद में 6-8 महीने बाद जब रिलीज हुई, I was surprised that he was working for such a great thing. For this, he spent 3 full years and almost close to 1 crore of rupees. I think ये जो पैशन है रेयर है, right? But he has done this for the society, and उसका इम्पैक्ट ये हुआ भारत के उपराष्ट्रपति, यूनियन मिनिस्टर्स, स्टेट गवर्नर्स, चीफ मिनिस्टर्स, नोबेल लॉरेट, यूनिवर्सिटीज के वाइस चांसलर्स एवं बहुत से प्रोफेसर्स ने इनकी बहुत बहुत प्रशंसा की। इनको बहुत से अवार्ड मिले हैं। पिछले वर्ष 2018 में जो इनको अवार्ड मिला था, जिसमें संस्कृत में भारत में अगर 3 लोगों को अवार्ड जो मिला था उसमें 3 में से एक मुरली था। तो किसी तो एक तो आप में महसूस होगा कि मुरली में वो सभी 6 वैल्यू उन्होंने डिपिक्ट की। राइट, मैं 1-2 इसमें से एग्जाम्पल बताऊंगा आपको। सुपीरियर परफॉर्मेंस हमारी एक वैल्यू है। वैसे आप बात देखेंगे तो स्टडी पे what have been his contribution towards API, environment and what not. हम में से एक चीज सीखने की है इसमें से develop his team. I am very happy. I was complimenting him. कि there is no political element in even his down the line team. They everybody know that we are working for Lupin. So this is the culture not only he had depicted but he had inculcated in down the line team. It is a really great personality. But you see the concern about him. I want to have something for each employee here. He contributed amount for the lunch we had on Friday. He shown the gratitude to the workmen working in the canteen. I think this is what probably DBG was dreaming. DBG wanted that each employee should have these 6 values. And the key quality what he has got, commitment. He was not delivering the product till he himself gets satisfied. Such a high level of his commitment. He has a very high level of intuition. I have seen many times. But she is smart so. एक मेल भेजा था. My intuition says Lupin will get FDA approval without re-audit. And on 14th April, we have got the approval for Unit 2. I think his DNA, his family's DNA is the one thing need to be appreciated. The simplicity of his father, mother, मेरे ख्याल से करुणा की मूर्ति कहें तो अतिशक्ति नहीं होगी. How many managers have seen his leadership article in one international magazine? But you see that from Gita, yes, I think there are 8 points he has given: decision making, conflict management. I think the very authentic information he has given. So, Murali, believe us, me, we will be missing you. And at least I don't consider that you are leaving the Lupin. You are good things, and the way you have been involved in the society and social and family, you will always be available for us. Thank you.
Hi Murali, we had a long association in Lupin, and many times I have gone to your lab and saw you are quite engaged in the, you can say, equipments, and every time you are, I think, was entirely submerged into the lab activities, which is a true representation of a scientist who is eager to develop the products, work on the products and preparing the products. When I saw the records, I see a long list of contributions which you have made, starting from desogestrel, drospirenone yield improvements, norgestimate yield improvement, 35% improvement in norgestimate, and there were a lot of contribution which you did here at Pithampur plant. It is really amazing that I still remember the words of DBG when I was at Mandideep. When you showed your contributions, he told why this R&D activities are not under Murali. So these type of comments I have seen, which was quite encouraging. So these were the very, very good words from the chairman for you. I wish you all the best.
Hi D. Murali Krishna. You are a great scientist, work with 3H principles starting from lab scale to commercialization to humanity by heart. Thanks for great support to Lupin. Your contribution is always remembered as foundation pillar of growing Lupin from 500 crores to 17,000 crores. You are loyal and working with spirit of Lupin, having high degree of dedication and commitment are your passion for excellence. We worked as great friend and colleagues always as Team Lupin. We all have experienced you different in last 2 years to teach us the management lessons from Bhagavad Gita. Thanks from the Team Lupin, Ankleshwar and Dabasa. Thank you very much. Best of luck.
Hi Murli, you have been a great colleague for last 3 decades. I still remember when you joined in 90s. I also used to be there in Ankleshwar for a long time. We worked together on many processes, many APIs. I always found you to be very innovative, intelligent, a team player, enthusiastic. Post 2000, you moved to Mandideep and later to the leadership roles. Not only for Mandideep, but for other sites also. And we could know what process development can do for the APIs. The commercial viability of the APIs came from PD Labs, headed by you. You worked on new routes, you worked on the yield improvement, you worked on the solvent recovery, recycling, effluent reduction, byproducts. Your contribution has been immense for the Lupin, and Lupin will always remember. I also feel that you had that great commercial acumen. You had a great marketing intelligence. We are going to really miss you in Lupin. But for last couple of years, your work has not only been for Lupin, you have started working for the society. You have started working on the Gita. You started working on the philosophy. And we came to know what a great soul you are. We want you, after retirement, to continue and guide the people of India. So all the best, and thank you very much for all the things what you had done for Lupin.
Murli, as I know, is a very simple person. Very cool, very calm, very composed, and of course very knowledgeable. I found him very focused towards the end result, be it in his professional work or the recent work he has done on spirituality, where he has taken 108 shlokas from Bhagavad Gita and translated them into English, Hindi and Telugu and connected them with the life management concepts, how to bring self-control, how to get motivated and motivate others, how to improve behavioral part. This is exemplary work for which we all know he has been awarded by many national and international organizations and bodies, and great personalities like Satyarthi, Venkataya Naidu. For a scientific person, doing such exemplary work is amazing, and I really feel proud to be associated with Murli. I remember one incident when there was a meeting going on in Conference 1 where our chairman DBG was present, and Murli gave his department presentation so well that DBG had to comment that I wonder if PD Lab is doing so much than what R&D is doing. So such was his devotion. I wish him all the success for all his future endeavors. Thank you.
ఆశయమే తమ ఆశ అని తమ కోసమని తెలిసా నువ్వు లక్ష్యమని తమ రక్షమని నినదించేరా పదర 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 నిగతముకు కొత్త చలనమిదిరా నీ ఎత్తుకు తగిన లోతు ఇది తొలుపు నాది గది తలుపు తెరిచి పదరా పదర పదర పదరా ప్రతొక్కరి కథవు నువ్వు కదరా నివరబడి భవిత కలల బొడి బ్రతుకు సాధ్యపడు సాగుబడికి బడిరా
Murali Krishnan, popularly called Murali, for more than 22 years. Number of good things were done by their group in terms of solvent recovery, recovery of phenyl acetic acid, pyridine, morpholine and whatnot. They also did some work on an intermediate for the TB drug. The work on lisinopril, when it was only 50 kgs a month, and initially in the pilot plant we had a great disappointment, but very soon it was sorted out, and it's a matter of tremendous pleasure that today the lisinopril is at the level of 12,000 kgs. Murali Krishnan has interacted with me continuously without a break, and I'm indeed very happy that he is a person with great human value system. Manner in which he did marry and looked after his parents is really exemplary. I have personally seen what sort of care he was taking of his father and mother. Over and above that, he has been a great Gita interpreter, and the kind of work he has done and acknowledgement he has got throughout India is extraordinary. I think I don't know of any parallel of a person working in chemical industry or pharmaceutical industry who has got this kind of credential of preparing interpretation. I wish him good health. Thank you.
Murali Krishnan, Dr. Murali Krishnan, as I know him, he was a great research scientist when I was his colleague in Lupin way back starting from previous millennium to maybe till 2011. And I saw him a very good scientist in the field of research for development of processes and troubleshooting of at the plant level, variety of products and multiple locations. Dr. Murali also happens to be an artist. Such a good voice. And combination of scientist and artist is very rare. And he is one of those combinations. His voice, I have heard how he recited Gita, Shloka, the clarity in his voice, as if he has been trained and he is a professional singer, classical singer. And not just scientist and being a classical singer combination, he deployed that combination in such a manner which nobody has done. Using his personal time, effort and money, creating Gita in multiple languages and audio format with not just the Sanskrit recitation but also with an explanation in Hindi so that a common man can understand the depth of Gita as Krishna wanted to say to Arjuna. I also see in Dr. Murali Krishnan a lot of values, very simple person. I invited him on one of the recent functions in Bombay where I showcased few people whom I know personally. He has respect in my mind about his research, but what I respect him more is for his ability to use his personal time, effort and money to create something which is beyond research, and that is what he created in form of audio Gita in multiple languages in a way which nobody has done it. And having done all that, staying so simple, I think credit goes to his parents. His mother, she must have inculcated a strong value system in him. Very good, humane person. I wish him a great success. All the very best, Dr. Murali. Thank you once again. All the best.
Murali Krishna is a sound professional, eager to upgrade his knowledge. He has ability to reach to the root cause of the problems. His contribution in process improvement, product quality improvement and cost improvement is unforgettable. He has worked upon altogether different process routes, also process improvement to upscale the plant capacities. He had proved to be a good leader utilizing his technical skills and emotional management skills. I would love to focus on him as a person too. Murali Krishna is a very loving and emotional and concerned personality. I came to know about source of these wonderful traits after meeting his parents. Murali's love, concern and care for his parents is unparalleled. Murali also played Krishna's Bansuri, justifying his name as Murali Krishna in his personal life by creating album on Bhagavad Gita and multiple articles in national and international journals, newspapers. Only a few people can do this type of work in individual's full life. Thank you very much.
I have known Murali since the first day I joined him. In fact, I remember on the first day, Murali was introduced to me as the king of vitamin B6 because of the stupendous work that he has put to standardize and establish the process of vitamin B6, which was very, very complex. He carried a great reputation as a very capable and competent scientist in Ankleshwar. Murali also is a very interesting personality. I can talk for many minutes on Murali's personality and my interaction. The number of stellar performance that he has put up during his years of association with me. Murali has performed in many products which were very important to Lupin, which were primarily the baby of Murali Krishna. Philosophies of Bhagavad Gita very seriously, and he has cultivated the spiritual study. He learned those slokas, their interpretation, the way to recite them, and made a few wonderful audios on the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. His work has been recognized and his video has been promoted by very eminent people. So I would guess that Murali is on the threshold of creating another glorious innings for him. I am very proud of my association with Murali. I wish him all the best in all his future endeavors.
Hi Murali, it has been a pleasure working with you for so many years and knowing you personally. We will never forget the contribution made by you in terms of improving products like B6, Lisinopril and Cefaclor. Although you have contributed in very many products and very many areas, I am pointing out these three products where you really contributed and we could see the immense benefit of these products to the company. Murali, I have seen your other side also where you learned a difficult language like Sanskrit and did a discourse on Gita. It is not an easy task, but I must compliment you the way you made that video of Gita discourse and the way it has been appreciated. Murali, I take this opportunity to wish you all the best.
I understood that you will never ever get retired from your services because you have been always active, alert and focused on your job. I would also like to emphasize that you will be remembered for your integrity, honesty, hard work and several contributions which you have made to our company. For me, you were Vivekanand, you are Vivekanand and you will continue to remain Vivekanand. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, hi Murli. I am deeply honored to say a few words about you today. My first meeting with Murli happened in 2001 in Mandideep, and one of the nice things I have heard about him, which I am endorsing today, that he is essentially the same person who joined Lupin all these years ago. These personal traits in any person are great assets, and Murli has witnessed it. Murli has steered the company through times of great change from the early days of helping out everyone. He joined Lupin in 1989, and over the following years, he would oversee many defining moments and major developments. We are grateful for your contributions. We are grateful for everything you have done for Lupin, you have done for us, you have done for me. While we will miss seeing you here, all I can say, Murli, you cannot get away from us. You cannot get away from our sight. Life would not be the same without you anymore. Good luck and all the best.
Hello Murli sir, I think you dedicated your entire life for the research and manufacturing of drug substances. It's a great service to, of course, the organization and the country in larger perspective. I would say it was a great experience working with you. Even today, when I get some challenges, when I face some difficult issues or difficult tasks, I always think actually how would have Murli sir reacted in this situation. So that is the impact you have basically on your colleagues. The best thing is basically you created many leaders. I would like to thank from bottom of my heart actually for whatever you did actually for the pharma industry and for all your colleagues, and wish you all the best again. Thanks.
కౌగిలించమని పిలిచినదా పిలుపు వినరా మలుపు కనరా పరుగువై పదపదరా గుండె దాటుకుని పండుగైన కల పసిడి దారులను తెరిచినదా రుణము తీర్చే తరుణమిదిరా కిరణమై పదపదరా ఓ ఏమి వదిలి అటు కదులుతోందమది మాటకైన మరి తలచినదా మనిషితనమే నిజముధనమై పరులకై మరలి మరల వెనుదిరుగనన్న చిరునవ్వె నీకు తొలి గెలుపు కదా మనసు వెతికే మార్గమిదిరా మంచికై బలపదరా లోకం చీకట్లు చీల్చే ధ్యేయం నీ ఇంధనం ప్రేమై వర్షించని నీ ప్రాణం సాయం సమాజమే నీ గేయం నిరంతరం సౌఖ్యం నీకుగాక ఎవరికి సాధ్యం విశ్వమంతటికి పేరు పేరు నా ప్రేమ పంచగల పసితరమా ఎదురు చూసే ఎదలు మీడే పవనమై పదపదరా లేనిదేదో పని లేనిదేదో విడమరిచి చూడగల ఋషి గుణమా చిగురు మురిసే చినుకు తడిగా పయనమై పదపదరా ఓరా శ్రీమంతుడా
Dear all, Dr. D. Murli Krishna, popularly known as DMK, the way he invested his professional life, his knowledge, his experience in the growth of Lupin. Many key products like Ceflexin, Cefaclor, Sabdenir, Lisinopril, to name a few, have been developed and optimized under his leadership in terms of cost and quality. Today, we are proud to say that we are the best in the world. As a person, I like his style, simple living and big thinking. He is very straightforward and outspoken. He never supported or compromised the things which he didn't accept morally. But at the same time, he never objected for their implementation as a professional. Since last few years, he has been instrumental in giving good things back to the society. He has spread awareness about Gita Sar through video, audio and books in different languages. Very few have the courage to do so in their own voice, and most importantly, financed by himself and without any commercial benefits. And I wish him a very happy and healthy life. Thank you, sir, for all your guidance and support. It was a pleasure working with you.
Now, something about Dr. D. Murali Krishna. If I want to explain this personality or describe this personality in 2-3 words, first word comes to my mind is simplicity. This person is so simple that I don't have to explain much about that, you all know. He remains all the time simple. Second is level of accuracy which is coming from his large amount of experience. There are many initiatives which we keep discussing about cost reduction, yield improvement, operational ease, and whenever the final proposal we used to take his opinion, he is quite clear, and that is because of his experience. To explain this personality is straightforwardness. He never keeps anything with him. Whatever is his opinion about the things, whether you like it or not, he always used to share whatever he feels about change, system, procedure. Since last 2 years, we could able to see a different potential of this person, where he shown his interest in Bhagavad Gita and explaining the analogies between management and Bhagavad Gita. We all know his work was appreciated a lot. Thank you and best wishes.
Hello everyone. I have very long association with him. Let me share with the group about my first interaction with DMK. I found that this man is very straightforward, very aggressive, and looks stubborn. But to be very frank and honest, later on I found that my perception was not correct. He was very jolly good for a person. And whenever I interacted with him for any specific project, for timeline, product development, impurity profile, availability of impurity, but he is always there to support. And that is the great, I think, quality. The another great surprise which I came to know about his passion for Bhagavad Gita, I never anticipated, because whenever I interacted with him, we always talked about any specific product, timeline, or any specific issue. I never got an opportunity to interact outside of this paradigm. But cherished moment and memories of working with you will always remain with us. I wish you a good luck.
Hi Murali Krishna. Really a very unusual request which I heard from you is wherein you asked me to give a message to you on the day of your retirement from Lupin. It's really very, very rare to see that a person with whom I was associated long back and coming and asking me for an unusual. Yes, I still remember the day you joined at CFAM in mid-80s. When you joined, yes, it was a small R&D setup there at Delhi. At that time, literally a positive mood was there everywhere. And you can see the real productivity of each one of us. In fact, you are mentioning that I learned a lot from you at that time. It is nothing like that. It's all as a teamwork we learn from each one of us. That is the beauty of the team spirit. Only later I heard that You've done a lot of wonderful work in Bhagavad Gita. It seems a novel variety of way of audio presentation of Bhagavad Gita, more particularly toward the students community you have created, I heard. I was wondering, is it the same Murali Krishna? I was thinking. I think you have changed a lot. I think you have not done the audio recording of Bhagavad Gita. You are practicing yourself. Literally, I'm telling you. I'm not exaggerating. You may be asking me why you are telling. Like, it's very simple. You know, in Bhagavad Gita itself, Krishna says, the mind can be your enemy and the mind can also be your friend. You know, as long as you control the mind becomes your friend. But if you allow the mind to control you, it can play havoc in your life. And you have done beautifully, controlled the mind. You have brought about a discipline in yourself. I do not know how you can get so much time to look after your work, official work, and as well as your interest of writing on the notes on the Bhagavad Gita. It's a tall task, I will say. It requires a lot of discipline. It demands the absolute mind control. I think first you understood the Bhagavad Gita and started writing. Lord Krishna says, look and observe the divinity in each and every individual. That's what you are doing it. You have started seeing a divinity in me, divinity in your friends, divinity in your colleagues. Otherwise you won't come and ask me to send a message. That's great. And by following the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita, you become a role model and show it to the world what is Bhagavad Gita. Great, keep it up. Already you have laid a lot of footprints in your life. I wish you lay more footprints, and then I wish you all the best in your life. Thank you.
Murali called me and informed me that he is going to retire. I thought he is too young to retire, but when he told that he is already completed 58 years, it was year, I suppose, 1984. I remember first day he came to see me in my office. Murali, a thin person, shy by nature, introvert character, but I liked him, and for his humbleness, straightforwardness, and eager to learn something. I asked him when you can join us. He told tomorrow, and then he was with us for 4 years. Our team was a small team, and it was, I must say, very demanding team. We wanted to finish the job in hand, not tomorrow, but yesterday. That was the pace of work. We developed many processes in CFAM, and I think he left CFAM in 1988 and moved to Lupin. It is a great amount of time. Spending so many years in a single company is I must say, quite commendable on his behalf. Today, we all know that Murali is totally devoted to Gita, creating masterpiece, not only for today, but that a piece it should be remembered in years to come. I wish for Murali robust and productive life. Thank you, Murali.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. मुरली साहब का जो योगदान है, वी ऑल सॉ थ्रू दीज प्रेजेंटेशंस, इट वाज इमेंस फॉर Lupin, फॉर द कंट्री. हिज सपोर्ट टू माय डिपार्टमेंट वाज वेरी गुड. दूसरी बात ये है कि ये गलतियां नहीं निकाले, इन्होंने सपोर्ट किया, तो ये अपने आप में बहुत कुछ होता है काम करने के लिए. हम सभी ने बचपन में बहुत सारे स्टोरीज सुनते हैं, रामायण सुना होगा. आई पर्सनली फील दैट हमने एक श्रवण कुमार को देखा है.
Dr. Murali Krishna, his contribution at the workplace has been recognized by all, including DBG. During my visits to the location, I always looked forward to meet him, and as a gentleman he is, he always spared valuable time for me. I gained a lot of insight working with him and was in a position to take matter with suppliers for effective resolution of various issues. With a grateful heart, I would like to thank him for all the wonderful memories shared in our workspace. Thank you.
సూర్యుడివో చంద్రుడివో ఆ ఇద్దరి కలయికవో సారథివో వారధివో మా ఊపిరి కన్న కలవో విశ్వమంతా ప్రేమ పండించగా పుట్టుకైన ఋషివో సాటి వారికై నివంతుగా ఉద్యమించు కృషివో అందరిలో ఒకడైన మనిషివో సూర్యుడివో చంద్రుడివో ఆ ఇద్దరి కలయికవో.
गुड इवनिंग। आप लोग ने देखा जैसे शब्दों का इतना भारी भरकम उपयोग सर के प्रेज के लिए। सर के बारे में आपने इतना सुना, प्रशंसा सुनी। मैं भी कहूँगा कि सर एक सरल स्वभाव के आदमी हैं, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड हैं, कोई पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करते, सिंपल नेचर। और इतने साल मेरा जो एसोसिएशन रहा 2007 से, उन्होंने मेरे विभाग को, HR को हर वक्त बहुत सपोर्ट किया। उसके लिए मैं सर आपको धन्यवाद करता हूँ फ्रॉम HR के लिए। मुरली साहब जैसे मैडम ने भी बोला कि अपने माता पिता के लिए इतना करते हैं, और उसके अलावा सोशल लाइफ जैसे गीता के बारे में लिखा है। गीता के उपदेश तो आपको मालूम है, गीता इटसेल्फ माइंड ब्लोइंग है। अगर आप कोई भी अपने ग्रंथ पढ़ें, आप जैसा बड़प्पन नहीं है कहीं, आप जैसा सरल मन नहीं है कहीं, आपको हम विदा आज कर दें मगर मुरली साहब जैसा सज्जन नहीं है। धन्यवाद।
Now, the most awaited moment of this entire event. So, we would like to hear something from Murli sir. So, the crux of his experience over the last 3 decades. So, please give a huge round of applause.
So good evening all of you. First of all, before I forget at the end, I'm very thankful to Mr. K.C. Sharma and for organizing this event. Next, I'm very thankful to Mr. Anil, Pawan and all the other PDM members. Really thankful to organize this event, to make it possible within short period. I'm thankful. I'm extremely thankful to those personalities who talked about me, about my work the last 3 decades. And most importantly, what touching me is that more than 3 decades I worked with somebody in my initial career before looking. They also showed a lot of interest and they have given me their messages. They are very big people and very knowledgeable people, from where I got the training, learning, whatever foundation I got from them. So I'm very thankful to them first. And most importantly, wherever and whatever I am today, this life, because of my parents. So I am wholeheartedly thankful to my parents and my family members, because they supported a lot. And next, my teachers, professors, because today wherever I am standing, there are many people contributed at different times, and today I think that I should pay my gratitude and thanks towards them. Even I was completing my degree, then I asked one of my professors. He said to take this chemical field and pharma field. In fact, I think today I remember him. He is Professor Shashi. So he directed me what to do. So I believed him and I followed him. And next year afterwards, even my brother, he explored many universities where my application would be better. So even I was taking a lot of financial help also from him. I'm thankful to him. It's all staircase of my growth, as I said, wherever I am today. We cannot forget the first step. And in Lupin, I'm very thankful to Shri DBC because I am here because of him. He requested, he asked me in front of Satish Khanna and many other people that you should not leave Lupin. And I promised him, I will not Lupin, I will take retirement in Lupin. And really, proudly I can say that I accomplished my promise. That is something I feel really proud. Thank you. Always I told the Lupin's HR department is a really fantastic department because HR makes the rules and regulations. So I know the kind of functioning in other companies, HR department. So people have the fear to approach the HR. That's the kind of thing. But here not only at Pandit, even other locations also, our HR department of Lupin is really super, very cooperative and is very supportive. Accounts department also, like Divyanshu is there? Yes. Yeah. Accounts department usually is a very confidential department. What is simple figure should not go. But always they support it. Today Divyanshu is there. Yesterday Suji and day before yesterday maybe Uday and starting maybe Agni, many people. Whoever is there, they supported very well, not only to the department also. And all these people, they repeatedly asked the costume and they really supported and recalculated, re-estimated cost sheets and they provided whatever the required support. That is again really great. So really this Lupin is a team and the more spirit in Madhya in fact. More spirit is there in Madhya and more energy is there in Madhya. In fact, I am not boss, I have not acted as a boss to any of the person in my department wherever I am. So I never showed any authority, I am not authoritative, so that way I am not boss to these people. I have given a lot of freedom to them and they worked on their own and 90% they work on their own. Only 10% of them I have given support to the team. That's all. Our MD or chairman all respects, lot of respects towards ACS, that's why they never visited even Delhi. That is somehow we can say pride to have such a personality as unit head at the location. No thanks. I am talking recognition gratitude. We all you have experienced many people come across in your lives and supported you. But most of us we forget. We don't pay our gratitude. The recognition is very important before expressing your gratitude. We have to recognize what others have done to you. If that is missing, we cannot pay your gratitude. Even Arjuna could not understand what Krishna was in the battlefield. When Krishna explained many things, many aspects to Arjuna, he had shown manifold, multifarious visual. He understood to whom I am all the time spending time going outside, eating together, and walking together, studying together. The person is the ultimate. The person is supreme. The person is knowledgeable. So I never realized there is a slow. सखेति मत्वा प्रसभं यदुक्तम् सखेति मत्वा प्रसभं यदुक्तम् हे कृष्णा हे यादवा हे सखेति अजानता महिमानन्तवेदं मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि यच्छापहासार्थमसकृतोऽसि विहारसे आसनभोजनेषु एकोऽथवाप्यच्युत तत्समक्षम् तत्क्षामये Because he was understanding Krishna as his friend. He is very contemporary, just like that he understand. So he was calling with different names, very lightly. He was insulting me by walking on, by meeting together, like a communicative. So he was not using appropriate words or respectful words against Krishna anytime. He was realizing how I was talking to him. I was behaving to him. So then he realized, then he told that, what are my mistakes? Please excuse me. He was asking Shema to Krishna. When he recognized what Krishna is. Before that, he was not knowing Krishna. What I mean to say in a nutshell, that work hard, believe in you, strengthen in you. Usually we recognize, even our appraisal forms also, I never convinced with our appraisal forms. Because in each appraisal form, it is the strengths and weaknesses, both column is there. That is very wrong. We should know only our weaknesses. Strengths, people will make. Then only we have to rectify our weaknesses and automatically it will become our strength. So I will convert our weakness to the strength. So people will talk our strength. They should not talk about our weakness. Because a boss cannot understand your weakness. Even you cannot understand your weakness. Unless you analyze, you see it. Hours together, today what happened, where I am wrong. What I did wrong today. If you analyze in the evening, you understand, you analyze what weakness you have exhibited during the interaction of many people or during execution of your product, process, manufacturing or anything or research. You have to understand what is your weakness. Really today I am very happy because the way people talk about me, I believe all they talk very true and came from their heart. Because all those things during my tenure also had from those personalities. But still they remember. It's something I feel that I think something I have done in my tenure. The self-elevation is very important. Nobody can elevate you. With any promotion, with any salary revision or changing company is not real elevation. It's not at all a real elevation. Even if you go through the Gita, everyone wants the liberation. Liberation is nothing but the moksha. We cannot get the moksha, that liberation in spirituality, unless we correct our personality. That God will not see at what position you are there to give the moksha. If really our position derives the moksha, many people are there. Everyone should get the moksha. But in Gita it is very clearly explained that self-elevation is important in all how you behave with others, how you be the well-wisher for others, how you contribute to the society, how others will not get disturbed with you. There are many qualities described for liberation. Liberation means nothing but the elevation, self-elevation. Today, whatever we do, that derives our future. Our future doesn't mean only this life. After life also there is a next life. That is also our future. And most importantly, Lupin has tremendous capability, strengths in our female gender. No gloves. Okay? Because I think that a lady works in ETP safety, something, I always feel that something great, I cannot imagine. A lady works as shift officer, what is that lady Rashmi? I think she was the first lady who worked as shift officer in production. So, wherever, whatever our ladies do, the gender, I think it's super, simply super. Not only here, I think the English laws, the Pinky, extraordinary work she performs, really. I don't know what are the grade. Remember that I am telling you very true and genuine statements I am giving. I can take both on Bhagavad Gita also. What I am saying is very true. So, with this, I pay again big, very long thanks to all of you who are available in this hall and who are not available in this hall. So, very big thanks. I am always express my thanks and gratitude to Lupin, to DBC, and to all those personalities. So, I wish you all the best and be confident on you, strengthen yourself, believe in your team. Thank you all.
I really thank you for what you have done for us. The great thing is that you transformed from my life from R&D to a different field, which was a great experience, and I thank you for that.
I still remember possessing inherent managerial qualities. He has won Best Managerial Competition Award somewhere in 1993 at Ankleshwar.
I remember those days when there was not much emphasis was given on compliance part, report writing, the investigation part. He was the one who used to do a detailed investigation and write a perfect report. And also I remember that report used to be like a benchmark for so many people at that point of time. So Dr. Murli, yes, I am really thankful to you for all your guidance, especially the support which you have given to me.
You have provided us a wonderful work environment by selecting and providing us the team of good, caring and helping colleagues. Of course, all are truly professional, but what makes a difference is they work with professionalism but by giving the touch of humanity.
Your personality as a boss is hard to find. Your personality as a good person is rare to find. But the combination of both these two is rarest of the rare to find.
Murli sir was a great personality. His contribution to Lupin are unmatchable. I found him very sincere and loyal towards his work. He is behind various success stories. We will miss you and your good work, Murli sir.
Hi sir, I found you most amazing personality. As a boss, as a colleague, you have shown your scientific acumen and it is quite impressive.
Hello sir, a lot of learning taken from you. I can take a pride to say that whatever I am today is because of you. You have a major contribution for shaping my professional life.
Your contribution on Lupin growth is immense, and I believe that you have given a lot input on the growth of Ankleshwar location.
हमेशा सबको खुद के विकास के लिए प्रोत्साहित करना, नए नए योगदान देने के लिए लोगों को प्रेरित करना, नए नए काम करने के लिए लोगों को सीखने के लिए नए चांस देना, ऐसे लोगों को भी है आगे बढ़ाना, ये सामने हमेशा रखा याद। मुरली साहब बहुत आएंगे याद आप लुपिन से जाने के बाद।
I have always heard and seen him as a self motivator. अभी लास्ट हम लोग का जब इंटरेक्शन हुआ we were there in the canteen itself. जब एक चीज़ उनने उस दिन बोला कि it is मौका हर किसी को नहीं मिलता, तो कभी भी जो भी मौका मिले उसको जाने नहीं देना. So that was the last thing that he motivated me for that. And he's a very humble person, very simple, and definitely we'll miss you, sir.
He's a unique personality with so many great qualities. One such type of quality is he always think and act like an entrepreneur rather than an employee, and he puts his 100% effort in each situation to give benefit to the company. And he is very big motivator. As a person, he is very kind-hearted person. And apart from this professional work, he accomplished so many awards and created so many records in Gita. So I wish him for the best of luck.
ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
భగవద్గీత ఎన్నిసార్లు చదివినా విన్నా తనివి తీరదు. ఎప్పుడూ ఏదో ఒక కొత్త విషయం మనసుని హత్తుకుంటూనే ఉంటుంది.
సాగరమంత సందేశాన్ని, జ్ఞానాన్ని పంచే గీత పఠనం రాజమహేంద్రవరానికి చెందిన దంతు మురళీకృష్ణ జీవితాన్ని మార్చేసింది. అంత గొప్ప గీతాసారాన్ని అందరికీ చేరువ చేయాలని బోధనలను పుస్తకాలు, ఆడియో సీడీల రూపంలో తీసుకువచ్చేందుకు మురళీకృష్ణ దాదాపు ₹1 కోటి ఖర్చు చేశారు.
जो हमारे साइंटिस्ट डॉक्टर मुरली कृष्ण जी हैं, उनको हाल ही में 24 जनवरी 2020 को इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में भी नाम दर्ज किया गया है और इसी के साथ में विशिष्ट संस्कृत सेवारती अवार्ड फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ HRD गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से भी मिला हुआ है। जी